What are you on about? You talking shit? Are you about to pop one out? Having a painful time of month. Time of day, more like. You just back the shit off, alright? Ariel, you're a fucking bitch. Stalking like the fucking Loch Ness Monster, you fucking... Oh. What the fuck does she think she's doing? Ariel, what are you doing? Huh? Had to use my phone hand to remove her, but yeah, she's gone now. Little tea kettle? Fuck, that's what they look like. They look like kettles. Oh, nuggets, she's back. It's like she just told a funny joke and she's waiting for the reaction.